Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, app has been blocked as a potentially unwanted app by Microsoft Defender SmartScreen in Windows 11. Click Start, Settings. Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security. Click App and Browser Control. Click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Turn off SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge. Turn off potentially unwanted app blocking. Now refresh the download. Click Keep to download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.